Congratulations, your
Thank you,
first debut win sa professional. Ano yung diskarte kanina sa ring?
We've been working on a lot. Sabi nila medyo matangkad siya, so body talaga, focus sa body. So, and I'm happy that I got the win.
Anong round mo naramdaman na bibigay yung kalaban mo?
Like around after the first round, you know, I came out a little bit stiff, but after the first round, I
Ano
got
pa yung
my
mga gusto mong baguhin sa'yo? Ano pa yung mga gusto mong i-improve pa?
maybe more movement, more head movement, and more stamina, of course. It's always going to help. And yeah, everything my dad told me I'm going to work on.
What's next for Jimwell after fighting in a 4-rounder?
Right now, we're going to go back, and me and my team are going to talk, and then, of course, we're going to train still. So we're going to focus on training and get better.
Magkasi 6 round ka na ba o depende pa?
Depende pa. Sa ngayon, 4 rounds muna.
So how's your air, yung hangin sa katawan?
It was good. I mean, it was only 2 rounds, but I felt like if it went 4, then I would still be good. But yeah, we'll see.
Hindi katulad dun dati yung medyo parang may pulikat ng konti. Ngayon okay ka na.
Okay ngayon. Mas okay ngayon compare nung last time.
Uwi ka pa ba
Mas
ng...
relaxed, mas focused, and yeah.
Do you have any plan of coming back to Philippines or dito na lang muna?
Yeah, we're gonna visit the Philippines soon. Yeah, with the baby. Yeah.
Teka, kanina mo dinededicate yung panalo?
It's just you know, to everybody supporting me, and to the family, and to my daughter. Yeah, it was a good night.
Ano pangalan po ng daughter, ma'am?
What was the name? It was Clara.
Clara. And you are? Carolina.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Jimwell. God bless you.
Download MannyPay now using this QR code. MannyPay, the new e-wallet, can be used for cash in, cash out, and online payments. Also available on Google Play and the Apple App Store.